Hi my fellow beauty buffins. Our pristine Himalayan bovine hydrolyzed collagen is your premium solution for rejuvenated, healthy and radiant skin. Unique selling point number 1, sustainably sourced bovine collagen. Our bovine collagen is derived from the wild grazing yak, a special species of cow found within the inner Mongolian plateau, where the traditional people of that region have been grazing their herds for thousands of years. Number 2, Type 1 and Type 3 collagen excellence. Provides the highest quality Type 1 and Type 3 collagen, essential for skin elasticity, hydration, fine lines, wrinkles, skin healing, nourishment and rejuvenation, including hair strength and nail fortification. Number 3, highest bioavailability in class. Our Himalayan collagen has the lowest molecular weight out of all other bovine collagens in the marketplace, allowing for superior bioavailability, delivering maximum benefits efficiently.